My favorite animal is a whale.
I guess I'm gonna pick dogs, but I love all animals.
The sea turtle. In the sea where everything moves fast, they move very slow.
Oh, I like that.
Yes.
So far, I love it. It's a little hard with my new hip, but it's okay. Oh, New Jersey's flat. This is not flat. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Undulate. Jeg er så... Maybe I need any help. Jeg er så omkring med. Jeg bor hos dem, jeg bor hos Coca-Cola og is. And then the American version is like store undulate rundt i min med dem, jeg bor. Jo mig sild. Ja, ikke. Coca-Cola og is. And we do trolls in the mountains, and these are actually the trolls' pots to boil all the humans.
How deep are they?
Enough to boil a human.
He's getting a lot of pictures. He is. I'm on his Instagram.
Wow.
Same shit.
When we allow ourselves to move towards our differences, we're able to actually address what it is that needs to be addressed in order to solve the issues that are at play. And through that accuracy and that investigation, we actually find we have so much more in common than we thought we did, but we can get there when we actually go towards our differences.
Should be looking there. There's a lot of reasons why it could make sense to go work at a big law firm. The money is amazing and obscene, and that can be life-changing money for a person and for a family. But you have to spend a lot of your time doing things that are probably not why you went to law school in the first place. Probably not why you care about the justice system and why you went into the law. I tried it for a summer and I didn't like it, and now I work at the ACLU, and I get to spend my time defending people's rights, and that feels really good. I'm able to wake up in the morning and feel pretty good looking in the mirror.
Those dimples, though.
I started laughing in the middle of that because I was thinking about you saying, like, hey, because you look so good.
Why do you make movies?
I just plop it down here.
English.
Okay. It's a bucket list, and we do it now.
Yeah, we want to see the fjords.
Yes, we want to see the fjords.
Let me know. I'd be happy to do it for you.
Really?
Yeah? How do you like it? Do you want s'mores with it or you just want the marshmallow?
We sing it on our own language, and then it's going to be a big mess up. Yeah.
And you did it in sign language. I'm a sign language interpreter. Oh, wow. Now I'll do something different. Yeah.